You can code in HTML and CSS and know some JavaScript basics, but still you can't code dynamic web pages because HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript are not enough to create web pages with rich user experience. So something is missing. And what is that? That missing part is actually called DOM. DOM means Document Object Model. It's an API or a tool that enables the HTML manipulation via the JavaScript. So the JavaScript itself can't help you to create web pages of dynamic nature. To create such dynamic pages, you need to combine your JavaScript basics with the DOM. So if you're intending to learn the DOM, then you are at the right place. This course is all about the DOM, Document Object Model. And just in short period of time, you will learn all the aspects of the DOM and start creating dynamic web pages. So everybody, my name is Salar and I will be your instructor in this course. So let me tell you some important features of this course before we move on. This entire course is divided into different lectures so that you have better check on your progress. Lecture 1 is about DOM introduction. In lecture 2, you will learn how to do DOM selection. Lecture 3 is about DOM traversal. In lecture number 4, you will learn to make changes to the DOM. In lecture 5, we'll talk about attributes. In lecture 6, you will learn to manipulate classes. In lecture 7, you will learn to modify and apply CSS via DOM. Lecture number 8 is the last lecture. We will learn to code DOM events. DOM events is an extremely important topic. If you miss that one, you miss everything. Because with events, we implement the DOM. We implement dynamic features. So this is our entire course and the outline. And in addition to this course, there is another lecture I would like to recommend. And that lecture is about practically implement the DOM and develop some useful applications. So my recommendation is after taking all the lectures of this course, you will take another lecture. And the name of the lecture is 10 DOM manipulation tasks. You can find the lecture on my channel and the link is also provided in the description. In this course, we will try to code together. All the HTML files I will be using can be downloaded. Check the description of the video and grab the download link. Remember one thing, programming is a practical subject. You can't just learn programming by watching and listening. You have to code and you have to program by yourself. So these were some important features of this course. I have nothing more to say. So let's now move on and start working with the DOM. In the first lecture, you will learn what is DOM, where is DOM, and DOM terminologies.